Hey everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess. I've just learned that I've been pronouncing that incorrectly. So I posted a video on Lichess to see about just getting some tips and advice, and that was the first thing. So thank you to those who posted, and let's get to the video. Alright, so today we're looking at quite a few different things. They've just moved their bishop back. I've got my two rooks on the H file and my bishop on the G4, and then my other bishop on D6. So the possibilities, going there to G3, then going with my rook up here. Or what else? So also these videos are from games that are played by players that are 2000 or grandmasters, and they've either made a blunder or a mistake, and I wanted to look at some analysis to show you that, where they make the mistake, and that's what these are actually, and it's pretty cool. So, oh, I think I figured it out. Maybe. Alright, if you want to pause the video here. Alright, so I think it is queen, check, then what? Maybe he's got his bishop to block there, but then I'd have my bishop to take again. Or queen? Which one? So a pin, I think you usually want to go with the rook, yep. And then just take the queen. Is there a better move? No. Okay, so there it is. Alright, let's go on to one more. See how that goes. Got, oh, this is the end game. This one's pretty cool. Packed in pretty tight there. So there must be a better move than just taking his queen. I'm pretty much even on spots. Do I want to just put him in check? Or is there anything else with my knight? I think that's it. Maybe check, and then putting him in check with my queen would potentially move him over. Check, and then he'd go farther over. Oh, another thing that they let me know was that, you gotta sometimes just go with your instincts. That if you're not sure about it, that, that's what you're ending up on, is you're trying to think things through logically, and then just, you gotta just go with your instincts sometimes, and it works out. So yeah, this wouldn't be any good. I think it is, it has to be something with the rook. Or the queen there? No, because then that would be pinning my rook. Okay, if you want to pause the video here, I'm going to give it a try. No, it's not the rook. Check takes. So let's go with this one then. Okay, it is that one. And then that's it. So that's an odd one. Let's do one more. Alright, so this has got a lot going on here. Looks like their queen is definitely threatening something. Taking with the bishop to my knight. We've got a lot going on here. So this looks like it has something to do with maybe even move order. Taking in the correct order to win material. Possibly. Oh, yeah. A lot going on here. Okay, so we can kind of take out the focus on this bishop and this rook. The queen. There's not a lot going on with the queen and this rook, so we've got these three minor pieces. Where do we want to go? Possibly. This one's tricky, yeah. I'm not seeing a clear picture, and some of these take a little bit longer. Maybe it is this because of the bishop. Oh, okay. Yeah. If you want to pause the video here, I'm going to give it a go. Yeah, because he has to move his queen, and that was the only protector of the bishop there. And so you're just winning material. Alright, so then I wanted to show you the analysis. So this is a 5 minute in the upper left hand corner. It's 5 minutes plus 5 seconds after each move. And that's what each person gets. And this is the 18th move. So this is where there was the blunder. And then where it says highlighted in blue on the right by the pawn, it sometimes gives the more in-depth analysis. It's got all these cool little features here too. Shows their ranking, who won, and checkmate. Black is victorious in the end. So this is on the app for Lichess. Well, if you like this video, let me know in a comment where I can improve. I'm always looking to improve. And if you want to subscribe, that's awesome. And have a good night, day, good evening. Thanks. Take care.